Well, good evening, everyone. I was going to say every one evening. I guess that works too. But Noah's here, and what was Lily wanting, Noah?
She was wanting to come out. So
Why do you know that she was wanting to come out?
because she was smooching at the door and she was moving around, and every time she wants to come out and we don't get her out, she moves her substrate.
And
she was
lifts
doing
up her box and makes a mess and all the rest of it. But she knows the door's open now, doesn't she? So, there you go. She says, "Hi, Noah." And it's just let it go for a second. And come and say hello to Mum. Are you going to say hello to Mum? First, would you like to say hello to Mum? No. She said, "You've upset my routine, Noah." Mum's the one that generally will open the door and let me come on out, and you did it tonight. So, and how do you find Lily to be, Noah? Do you ever think that Lily would bite you?
No.
Why don't you think that she would?
Because every time, you touch on her head, she only goes back into that S mode. But every time you go back to pat her, she'll be fine.
But why does she go? What is it about her head, do you think, that she's just a little bit head shy? And she doesn't go back into the S mode. She just pulls her head back.
Yeah.
So she just sort of lets you know that I don't really like you bumping me near my head and things like that. So is she strong? Yeah, can you kind of stop her from... Let her go. No, I don't want you to actually stop her, but I'm just saying it's very hard to keep her still, isn't it now? She'll come back out again, and I'll greet her this time myself. Come on, darling. Come on, sweetie. Come on, sweet. You gonna come out, bub? I know, it was a little bit different, wasn't it? And it was Noah and not Mum, wasn't it? Do you want to come out? Do you want to come out, darling? See, now she's a little bit... Well, there is a routine. There is a way that we do this, Mum, and it's generally your hand that greets me, and you know where I'm going to go and what I'm going to do, and that didn't actually happen. So now she's kind of like, well, that isn't how it kind of like goes. But once I reassure her, come on, down. It's okay. It's okay. Honestly, it's perfectly fine now. And I'll let you come on out. So if you want to come on out, yeah, you just change things on them, and it just takes them a little while to register that it's okay now, and I'll just reassure her that it is okay. It's okay to come on out now, doll. I promise. I do. I promise that you can come on out now. And this is what I've tried to, letting you know that the consistency of what you do with them, then they're comfortable. You change things on them. They can go, hey, this is different, and that isn't right, and that doesn't feel right. And Noah opening the door and letting Lily out is not disaster for her, where she would hurt Noah or become defensive to Noah. but more about for her, this isn't the way we do things. And yeah, it just made her stop and think, do I really want to go out there? You know, this doesn't feel right tonight. But of course, once she sort of finds a way and realizes that, okay, yeah, I'm allowed out and I'm coming out and all is good, and then she relaxes and gets on with what Lily would normally do. So it's only a very little video of showing you that consistency and the way that you do things with your snake is very, very important to them. It's that familiarity that allows them to become content with their life when they know what is going to happen. It's more about when they don't know and things change for them. And hence why when you rearrange, well, not rearrange, but you put them in a new enclosure, or you bring them home to a new home, a new person, why they can be a little bit, hang on a minute, I don't feel right with everything, and they may not eat until they become familiar with where they are and what's happening for them. And that's the same, even like you saw with Lily, it changed. It wasn't me opening the door. It was Noah. He did it differently. He did it completely differently to how I would do it with Lily. And she knew. So guys, remember consistency. Repetitive. That's just so very, very important to your snake. So guys, take care of yourself, take care of your family, your friends, your snakes, and of course, all your animals. Did I say snakes? I'm getting old, guys.
Yeah, you said snakes.
There you go. Thank goodness for Noah. Okay. Ciao.